Hello. Have you ever wondered where things come from? Things we see every day. Things we use. Things we eat. Today, we will explore 3 simple questions. And we will learn how each one begins. Let's start. Bread begins long before it is food. It begins as a tiny seed placed into the soil. With sunlight, water, and time, the seed grows into a tall plant called wheat. When the wheat is ready, it is collected and the small grains inside it are taken. These grains are crushed until they become a soft powder called flour. Flour by itself is not bread yet. Water is added, along with a little yeast and salt, and everything is mixed together. This makes dough. The dough is soft and stretchy, and when it rests, it slowly grows bigger as air fills it. When the dough is ready, it is placed into a hot oven. The heat changes the dough, making it firm on the outside and soft on the inside. The smell fills the air, and the dough becomes bread. This is how bread comes to be, from a seed in the ground to food on the table. Where does rain come from? Rain begins with water that is already on earth. Water in rivers, lakes, and oceans warms up under the sun. When water gets warm, it slowly turns into water vapor and rises into the air. This vapor is very light, so we cannot see it. High in the sky, the air is cooler. The water vapor cools down and comes together to form tiny drops of water. These tiny drops gather and make clouds. Inside the clouds, the drops join and grow bigger and heavier. When they become too heavy to stay in the air, they fall down to the ground. This falling water is called rain. Where does a T-shirt come from? A T-shirt begins as a plant. The plant is called cotton. Cotton grows in fields, and when it is ready, it makes soft, white fibers. These fibers are collected and cleaned. Then they are twisted and spun into long threads called yarn. The yarn is woven together to make cloth. The cloth is cut into pieces and sewn together. Sleeves are added, and a neck opening is made. When the pieces are stitched together, the cloth becomes a T-shirt. What we wear starts as a plant growing in the ground.